Hello, I'm going to show you really quickly how to create multiple YouTube channels on a single Gmail account. Okay, so this is what you want to do on your mobile device. This is all on the mobile device. So step one on the mobile device, open up your browser. I am going to use Chrome browser. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Chrome browser. Go ahead and open an incognito tab. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the three dots. And then I'm going to open up a new incognito tab. And then search for YouTube. I've just searched for YouTube here. Aha, you see, now I'm on YouTube. Now make sure you sign in. Click on the account that you want to create a new channel for. Now what you want to do here is you want to click on the three dots and you want to convert this to the desktop site. Okay, so here you can see it says, let me scroll down. It says here, desktop site. So make sure you change this to the desktop site. Excellent. Now we are on the desktop version on our browser. So I'm going to click on my profile pic. Okay, make sure you signed in, obviously. I'm going to click on my profile pic now. And I'm going to go down to here where it says settings. Can you see that? I'm going to click on settings. Okay, so from here where it says settings, this is the main part now. Can you see this? You've got this part section here. We're going to click on create new channel. All right, so go ahead and click on create new channel. And then look at this. From here, we can create a new channel. Okay, so we're going to create a new brand. Choose whatever title you want to create for this. Of course, it's grade 2. Oh, it should be Beard Cubed. Oh my God, Beard Cubed. Okay, and then read this. It says here, I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. So go ahead and click on that and then click on create. Like that, you can see now I've created extra channels on my one profile and I can switch between these channels just by clicking on the profile pic. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this now. So these are separate channels that I've created on that. And if I click on my profile pic, I can switch between accounts. So go here and switch between accounts. Bloop. And you can see that there's different accounts here that I can switch between. I can switch between using this method. All right. Give it a try and let me know how you get on.